So let's sing a song. What can we sing?
Hello and welcome. Today's tap tutorial is going to be on the classic time step. The time step originated in the late 1900s, often used to keep time with musicians playing with them, or as a gateway to go into improvised steps. To break it down into the simplest terms, the steps are stomp, pull, hop, fill in, I get to that later, called chain, and the change is part of the stomp, pull, hop for the next series. So every time you ball change, that change is the stomp for the next time step. Now there are a lot of different types of time steps, and that's what you're gonna fill in for the blanks. Now there are 3 types of sounds: single, double, and triple. Single sounds are just steps. Double sounds are made with a flap. That's where you use your ankle to do a brush and then a step. And finally, the triple sound is made with a shuffle step. In a shuffle, you don't put your weight down, and it's made with a brush and a spank. Now you can plug those into the formula and make any number of endless combinations. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!